Hello my little lovies, welcome back to my channel. Today we are grubbing down on a little mixture I have here. I have some ramen, some new ramen that I'm gonna try. Some fried eggs, some leftover chicken, and some ribs that my mama made, so shout out to my mama. So let's get in because your girl is starving. These noodles are actually the mama noodles, the mama spicy shrimp tom yum. I should have done my investigating a little bit more before I bought a whole freaking box of these. I didn't know tom yum meant hot and sour soup. I don't like artificial lemon flavor, and these, when I was making, I was like, why does it smell like pine sol? And these have artificial lemon. So, I took out all the broth because the broth was just way too much. So I just have literally the ramen. I am going to give it a try, but I think I'm honestly going to give them away. No. I'm just not crazy about them. Let me if I put some of this. This sriracha sauce, guys, if you guys ever mess up on cooking, this saves the day. Just letting you know. Why isn't it coming out? Work with me. Oh. Okay, let me try it a little bit with diet. Let's see. With the sriracha, it disguises the lemon flavor, so sriracha it is for the video. Ooh, I put a little too much. I'm just really bad with lemon flavor, guys. It literally looks like I have ketchup on my ramen. I have some egg here. That's a good egg. I'm so disappointed too because I saw videos on this ramen and I thought I was really gonna like them. I can't do it. You could just taste the freaking fake lemon. Oh, you can smell it. Guys, I can't eat that ramen. I'm so disappointed. I'm so mad because your girl really wanted ramen. And I literally bought a whole box. These eggs are good. I just can't force myself to eat something I don't like. So we gonna eat the ribs and the chicken, guys. So it's gonna be a nice short little video. I'm sorry guys, I thought I should have bought one pack at the store first before I went and bought a whole box. But it's alright. We're gonna give it there's somebody who wants it, a homeless shelter, food dry places. No throwing away here. So, how are my little lovies doing? Oh. It is TGIF. And I'm excited. I'm excited for the weekend. Look at my mom's ribs. Don't they look amazing? Oh yeah. She does a dry on rib because a dry rub seasoning because my mom hates sauce, guys. Like, any kind of sauce. She hates barbecue, ketchup. Mild sauce. Anything. And these ribs are so moist. I love ribs. Comment down below what chicken or ribs, which one would you pick? I would have to say, if I had to, oh, they're hot. You guys see that? Look at the steam. If I had to pick, it would definitely be chicken. I like ribs that's a like little treat here and there, but definitely can't live without chicken. So, what is everyone's plans for the weekend? And my mom's birthday, so we're taking her out to dinner. to my friend's birthday brunch. Like, they're so full off the bone. There's like nothing left. I'm really so disappointed about ramen. About these ramen. If somebody knows, maybe I got not a good flavor. Do all of them have? Do all the mama ones have artificial lemon in it? I don't like artificial lemon. If somebody could help me out, I would honestly appreciate it. Oh, I don't like hot and sour soup. Never been my thing. So, definitely, this is going to teach me a lesson. To investigate before I go on Amazon and buy a whole box of them. So, did you guys hear the scandal that's going on? Come on. Jay-Z working with, or his company is gonna be is gonna work with the NFL. Whatever. I was listening to Hot 97. And on my way home from work, and Nessa, she goes out with Colin Kaepernick. She was livid. Oh, she was literally going on. She went on a rant, full-on rant, saying, that she was hurt, disappointed because, Jay-Z was preaching about justice in the NFL and yada, yada, yada. But he goes, and now he's working with the NFL. Or his company is. So, she was tight. She was like, you can't be saying there's justice in the NFL when Colin Kaepernick still don't got a job. And the least you could have done was call him, had a discussion before I went public and blah, blah. Because now everyone's looking at you crazy. Which I don't blame. Because Because I really thought Jay-Z stood for that. Like, equality, helping the situation come to life. But he literally just got in bed with the devil. So, I don't know. I can't really preach on it because I don't know the specifics. But all I know is Nessa was tight. She was standing up for her man. And she's like, am I going to play Jay-Z records now? She's like, if they're on the list, but I'm not going to go out of my way to do it. I'm like, not like Jay-Z needs it, but, you know. I was like, oh, somebody is salty. Somebody is sour like these noodles. But get it? Sour because of the lemon. Get it. So disappointed. Thank God I have these chicken and ribs for you guys. Gotta do the rib dance. Oh, God. Excuse-moi. Wait, just fall off the bone. I love home cooking. Alright, guys. The only thing I literally have is left is those noodles. I'm really sad about this. If anybody out there knows if there's another flavor that has no lemon, let me know. I'll go buy one pack and I'll see if I like it. And yeah. Don't forget, give this video 2 big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend to join the fam bam. And until next time, I promise I won't have a fail next time. Remember, let's spread positive vibes, good laughs, and yummy eats. Peace.